Hello everyone, welcome to Pi Academy. We are located at Habra opposite of Stratford Day School, and our second branch is at Habra Staff Quarter. We offer both online and offline courses to help you achieve your academic goals. We specialize in maths, physics, and chemistry for classes 11 and 12 of WBCHSE, CBSC, ICSC board. You can find our online classes on our YouTube channel. With 15 years of experience, we specialize in helping students excel in math, physics, and chemistry. We conduct mock tests to help students prepare better. Our academy provides coaching for entrance exams like WBJEE and JEE Mains, as well as various job-related exams.
Hi, I am Subroto Devnath, the owner of Pi Academy. We focus on building a strong foundation in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and also biology for all students.
We also have a trust where we donate clothes and food to those in need. Many students from our academy have secured placements in prestigious universities across India. Join us and be a part of our community. Unlock your math potential with us. For more details, please visit us at www.payguru.in.